I think it would be television. Kasi yan mga tao kasi ang una, 'di ba? Unknowledgeable pa hera. So like ma-curious sila kung paano nagawa si mga tao with TV, mga commercials. I would say smartphones kasi 'di ba dati waray mga phones like may daga although telephones but dere pa man na masyado na parang nai-expand, napapaupay. Unlike now nga one touch na la, diretso ka na makaka-receive in messages and calls. Tak naiisip robots. Kasi paano daw lahat nera like naisip yan na kunhan dati like very impossible yan mangyari but now through science and technology robots is something else.
So a piece of technology that I use every day that I think the people in the past would be amazed by would be a cell phone. Kasi way back before, we used tools in a different function. Pero with cell phone, naada na nga tanan. You can use a cell phone to manage your accounts on social medias and all. You can even use a map na una, ginagamit ang talin papel para makakatawa natin ng mga lugar. Pero yan, digital na. So, as an tool na, I think, pag makita mga tao in the past, ma-amaze talaga yan. So, a simple invention would be the invention of internet or the social media. Kasi way back before, communication is very scarce kasi kailangan natin letter to address hit atin mga relatives kunta ang atin harayo. Pero now, it's just a click away para ma-contact natin hira and may sabi natin at atin mga karagsig niyan. So, I think pag-invent ng social media, it has changed the way we live kasi we now depend on convenience instead of doing efforts. Actually, this answer is fun, something that has been thought of before, and I think it atan may daya na is the prevailing era of AI. So I think ang usbonghan AI han atan adlaw daw kinabuhi was very helpful, and I think it was a double-edged sword kasi on the other hand may dadaman niya different mga negative effects such as naasa kita masyado or na-depend kita masyado or ginagamit natin ng AI hit mga mali nga mga paraan. Pero on good terms naman, I think AI is a very good invention or a very good thing that was invented alongside technology para ma-enhance atin mga adlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi.
I think cellphone. Kasi 'di ba like in the past wala pa talaga hat niya kuan niya cellphone to high nga cellphone like when it comes to communication kailangan talaga personal nga mag-istorya so gahit. So I think magiging maa-amaze talaga hira kapag kumita hira in cellphone. I think AI. Kasi it's so advanced that hindi lang siya nakakatulong kundi it's a threat to human. Kasi 'di ba, like may conspiracy nga pwede ito niya AI maging super AI nga magkasarili hirain isip tapos i-invade ni right mga humans. But for me, AI is a big help for us lalo na haat yung mga students when it comes to our projects, assignments. It's siguro nasa paggamit na lang din yan. So for me, it's a big help. Advancement in technology. Siguro kung babalikan ta at past, diri ta maiisip nga ganito ka-advance it magiging technology na nowadays. Siguro di dahil hit ka magka-advance talaga hit mga tao. But for me, it's an advantage for us humans na mga advance kita mag-isip nga may datahit niya mga sugay niya technology na nagkaka-invent. But for me, kapag ito niya at pagka-advance ng mga tao, gamitin naman natin diri maupay, dito tagiging threat.
I think it's smartphone kay ating nga panahon adton communication via on air medyo di pa matinay invent kay kung mamay daman hat it's very hard to to communicate iton imoy kapamilya nga to harayo nga lugar. So hasta masasabi nga dako iton age yan na iton smartphone way back before. I think rice cooker. It's a bit funny pero most natin, lalo na mga kabataan niya na when we cook rice, sometimes ibabayaan ta. So kung magluto kita rice cooker, I'm not saying 100% sure it is safe but 95% for me, I'm sure nga dit matutubo dit yung bintutuan nga bugas. That's why I choose rice cooker. So, hit na papanahon niya na it pinakawang artificial intelligence the AI. We know nga itong AI kaya mag-generate anything we need to ask. Pero ito sa limitation nga medyo makaradagliwat. So gayton mga estudyante nga mag-aaram talaga medyo nagiging contrite na herton AI kay kumbaga instead nga may da ka magkamay-ada competition di nga necessarily nga competition magkamay-ada kumbaga tawag iton nga interaction between iton AI classmate nawawara na kay nagamit namit AI nga di da nakita na depend but I'm not saying it AI is bad it depends iton user kung paano niya gagamitin kung literate ka nga individual on how to use it mupay ito hiya. That's why AI.
A thing or a piece of technology that I use every day, actually every hour or even every minute is a cell phone. And I think that is something that the past generations would be very much be amazed of. Kasi technology has advanced very rapidly and cellular phones or smartphones have also actually evolved, and with our cell phones now, we can access the world just at the tip of our hands. So that is something that is very, even our generations right now are very amazed of. So what more yung mga dati pang generation? I think one simple invention is our ability to write. I think our ability to capture information, our experiences, even though kahit hindi pa na-form yung letters, just our ability to document things is very important because we have a repository or a way to store our knowledge or experiences from which we can learn from. So, from that simple thing of documenting something or everyday life, parang nag-expand na hiya to something bigger which has greatly affected our way of living. Parang we become more civilized because of that. We become more advanced. And through using that simple principle of documenting something, we have gone so far as humanity. I think there is nothing that we have now that no one have thought of before. I think that all of us has a ambitious thought in our head nga someday, maybe not now, someday we will be able to achieve. I think yung mga greatest nga mga inventors were the ones who dared to dream the impossible and think of things that are not unimaginable before. Unimaginable before. So I think that there is nothing that we have now that no one has absolutely been not dreaming of before. So parang it's important to be not really idealist but to be brave enough to dream of something, to think of something new, because technology nowadays offers so many ways in which we can achieve the things that we think of if we are focused enough and we are interested enough to do so.